how to fix there is an issue with your payment method on iPhone, or how to update your payment information. Now you might have added a payment information and you might be trying to purchase a certain application from the App Store, but it says that there is an issue with your payment method. So in that case, it just means that Apple for some reason is not being able to process the payment method that you have provided. Now in order to solve this, you want to simply launch the settings application. Once you launch settings, tap on your Apple ID from the very top of the screen. Then once you tap on Apple ID, you want to simply go to the option that says payment and shipping and tap on it. Now when you go to payment and shipping, you might want to verify with your Face ID if you haven't already done so. And depending upon what payment method you've currently added, you can simply choose to add another form of payment method instead. So select credit or debit card or PayPal, whatever it is you're comfortable or have working with. Then you can enter your card number, the expiration date and the year, the CVV code, and then your billing address. Once done, tap the done button, and as long as your card is fully working, there isn't an issue with your card or bank or payment system, the card should be processed if it is accepted by Apple, and then it should be able to help you process the payment information. And I hope that this video has helped you with your issue. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.